My name is Eugene Sherayzen. I'm an international tax attorney and owner of Sherayzen Law Office PLC. Today we're continuing a series of vlogs from Czech Republic, Prague. And today we'll be talking about voluntary disclosures.
There are various voluntary disclosure options, but today I would like to focus on the IRS Offshore Voluntary Disclosure Program, or OVDP. OVDP is a voluntary disclosure program that allows a taxpayer to disclose his prior tax non-compliance concerning his foreign income and foreign assets, including offshore accounts. In return, the taxpayer pays a one-time total reduced penalty that replaces all penalties associated with each individual tax form and FBAR. This is called a miscellaneous offshore penalty. While the OVDP miscellaneous offshore penalty may appear to be too high, the penalties outside of the OVDP in these cases may be much higher than what the taxpayer's assets are worth, and in cases which are particularly egregious, may even include criminal penalties. The greatest advantage of the OVDP is that the same reduced penalty rate applies even to willful violations, including willful violations of FBAR, FATCA Form 8938, Form 5471, and other forms. There are many other important features of the OVDP, but the most important point that I would like to make today is that the OVDP today is likely to be the best route for willful taxpayers to do their offshore voluntary disclosure. The same applies to taxpayers who simply cannot establish their non-willfulness. That is, they cannot certify that they were non-willful under the streamlined compliance procedures. Unfortunately, the IRS recently announced that it will be closing the OVDP on September 28, 2018. This is really bad news for willful taxpayers as well as taxpayers who cannot establish their non-willfulness. Their only alternative after the closure of the OVDP will be to go through the traditional IRS criminal investigation voluntary disclosure program, which has almost no guarantees and may result in a much higher penalty exposure to the disclosing taxpayers. Thus, while OVDP today is a main opportunity for many taxpayers, especially willful taxpayers, to do their offshore voluntary disclosure, the impending closure of the program means that this opportunity is about to end.
A voluntary disclosure is a fleeting opportunity to settle your FBAR penalties. It only counts at a time when you are eligible, and then it's gone, the same way as the subway train that just left. But unlike a subway train, it may or may not ever come again. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.